Anong pangalan ni Kuya?
Jed.
Jed. May 2 questions ako sa'yo. Pag nasagot mo parehas, may 3... Hindi, wala. Hindi pa. Ano pa lang yun? Introduction. Okay, wala. Eto na. So, may 2 questions ako sa'yo. Pag nasagot mo parehas, may 300 pesos ka.
Pag di ko nasagot.
I'm sure masasagot mo to. Okay, first question. Magbigay ng 5 lugar dito sa Baguio na madalas pinupuntahan ng mga tao.
Mines View, Birmingham Park, Wrights Park.
Okay.
Session Road.
Okay.
Night Market.
Okay. So, 5. Second question, nasaan tayo ngayon?
Benguet.
I mean, eto, kung anong pangalan nitong kung nasaan man tayo ngayon?
Stone Kingdom.
Stone Kingdom, tama. Okay. So, nasagot niyo yung 2 questions. Meron siyang 300 pesos. So, 100, 200, 300 pesos. Thank you for playing. Anong masasabi mo?
Thank you.
Thank you. In-expect mo ba yan or no?
It's a prank. Prank.
No, it's not a prank.
Okay. What's your name?
Raymond.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you for playing. And anong gagawin mo sa 300?
Fuel.
Okay.
Mahal punta dito.
Thank you so much. Jed, right?
Jed, yes.
Raymond, thank you.
Hi, Raymond.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Enjoy your stay here.